Hey yo guys, GMFX where you guys. So let's get into it. So I started the 10k to 1 million Forex challenge in 30 days, right? I wasn't joking. I wasn't here to waste time with you guys. As you know, we're here to get to business, and for that to happen, obviously shit has to happen as well. So to keep you guys in check, so right here, I'm trying to show you guys on how the channel's been going lately and how is it up towards are we making profit or not? Because hey, this challenge ain't easy. I'm not gonna lie, guys. This challenge ain't fucking easy at all. But here's the most important thing. Does the skill cooperate with the market direction? That's the thing, guys. So okay, wait, I'm trying to fix the range. I don't know why I'm doing shit, but yeah guys, let's get into it, let's get into it. So right now, market analysis on gold, we're up on this trade, but as you can see, guys, it came back to break even. And we literally obviously got out the trade before anything got any riskier. So guys, just know that in TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, guys, we're up in tech. We obviously upload every video or short form content, guys. We drop everything in tech. So right now, let me just give you a debrief on how it's been going lately, but I'm not gonna lie, it's been a hell of a challenge with you guys. I'm not gonna cap. But let me show you how does our strategy actually works. Okay, let me try and go to a place where it's very clear, so I can go debrief on you guys on how do we actually work. Because hey, guys, trading is not hard, but at the same time, it's not easy, guys. It just has its ups and downs, like the market itself. So it explains it all on its own, guys. So right here, okay, let me show you guys the movement that we catch on sniper entries, guys. Yes, liquidity sweeps, guys, consolidations, buyers, sellers, guys, it's always on the game. It's always on the game. It's always on the game. Liquidity, buying, and then selling, guys. So these are the market areas that we use on the market. But hey, with no further ado, let me show you a sneak peek of how does it actually work. Because right here, as you can see, these are the areas that we use for resistance, support areas, point of interest. These key areas, every single high and low has its own value and timing as well. So obviously you should obviously place a better entry, guys. It's part of the game, guys. If I were you, I would lock in, guys, towards a strategy because right now Forex is a thing we can take advantage as Trump is also taking over the market on its own. And guys, if you're trading stocks, Tesla is the one for you, and SpaceX as well. Because Elon Musk is from trillionaire to billionaire, trillionaire to billionaire in 9 days. Obviously, that's insane, but we can take over the market by using that validation and liquidity sweeps, guys. As you can see, as you all know, guys, it's NFP today, and shit happened on the market. So we're also gonna debrief a lot of on that. So as you can see right now, I just marked the areas of the previous highs and lows. These areas are used as resistance and support, but we use it as point of interest because there is an interest towards that point that we obviously are highlighting towards. So like FXLEG will be using these strategies on support and resistance, highs and lows, market structure. We all use their validation, guys, but SMC we use it better, guys. So let's get into it right now. As you can see, these are the liquidity sweeps that okay we wouldn't want to go through first, but here's the most important thing, guys. Every single high and low gives us a point of direction towards where are we headed with the market. So let me just show you guys. For example, if we have a high here, have a perfect high, but there's also a liquidity sweep taken from this point of interest, man. So because you can see, we just marked the key area because of the highs and lows. So this would be a supply zone actually. Let me remove this point of interest to just make it simpler for you guys. How we do it? Identify supply and demand zones. So right here, this is the previous high, this is the current high, right? So the previous and the current gives us this block between is this the supply or this is the demand. So right here, this is the supply zone that we just identified because the market keeps on coming back. That identifies us that this supply zone won't be easily broken out, right? So this supply zone, a full confirmation on that, right? And then here it comes here. Where is our demand zone? Previous low and our current low. Sorry guys for the cough. Been sick lately, but hey, we keep on pushing otherwise. So right here, guys, I just shown you how to identify the supply zone as well as a demand zone, guys. So as you can see right now, I've just marked the supply, I've just marked the demand. But which one is more effective? Did you see that I didn't mark without these supply zones? But now I can understand to whatever I was drawing always has this picture of the market. So this demand zone has a lot of consolidation because it shows the reaction towards the volatility inside the demand zone. Are the sellers taking over? Are the buyers dominating the market? That's the thing because it has to be either one winner between those two. But at the same time, there has to be a bigger balance towards them. So as you can see right here, there's a lot of consolidation and as well as here. But on the supply zone, can you catch that there's a bigger difference towards the demand and supply? Obviously, because the supply has more gaps between retesting towards the supply zone. That means the sellers have more power than the buyers. Because if the buyers have more consolidation and the sellers have more validation, that means it gives us a full confirmation that the sellers are dominating the market on the daily time frame, on the 4 hour time frame, as well as on on the smaller time frames, guys. So if I were you, I would watch out for these steps because I'm giving you tips towards how we're gonna achieve this 1 million challenge in 30 days, guys. Because it's been going up and down, profit losses, but I'm gonna show you everything after this video. So let's get into it. So okay, I don't know. Okay, 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 guys, wait for me patiently. Yeah, I don't know. Okay. As you can see right here, the market is pushing towards breaking the demand zone. Why? Because the sellers have dominated. Okay, how does the seller dominate? What areas of interest can I identify and obviously place an entry? Okay, guys, let me give you the tips. As you can see right now, we have a broken high here, and we also have a broken low, right? Okay, I don't know how we even get to that area. Okay, so we have a low that is okay. We have a high, broken POS, and we have a low change of character because that's the first level is broken towards showing us are we going to the downside. First reaction, okay, let me mark the key areas. Okay, first let me mark the highs and lows. Okay, here we have another low that is broken, break of structure, and we have another low that is broken, break of structure once again. And then we have a high that was also broken, break of structure, and we have another high that was broken as well. Market structure shift because it was supposed to obviously drop, but instead it obviously head to the it was bullish. So that is obviously a market structure shift. And then here we had a break of structure as it was still going up to the upside. And then we have another low, which is also a change of character towards a market structure shift. Now there's a change of character. So the market had reactive towards the structure of the market. Okay, as you guys I just marked this SMC concept right here. There are also ICT, but ICT works on inverted fair value gaps, key areas, key zones, time frames as well towards the indication towards London session, New York session. So let me give you something you wouldn't identify if you are a beginner trader. As you can see about these market structure concepts and everything, but the most important thing is catching the time frame and the timing of the entry, guys. Because sniper entries is our specialty in GMFX. So what we would identify first before entering a short position, we identified the sell, the supply zone. The second thing would be are these lows and break of structure corresponding towards the market structure shift, right? So right after this validation and liquidity, we will place our short position after a reaction towards this supply zone, guys, because we have a full confirmation that it sold, retested at this EMA, bought again, and retested to the supply zone to gain more momentum to sell to the downside, guys. That's enough confirmation for us. So that's when we replace a short position, obviously executing the lowest low on the market structure, guys, because we'll be targeting that the demand zone is going to be weak, guys. Suppliers are gonna be taking over, sellers are gonna be dominating, guys, like Spartans, bro. Come on. So we're gonna be placing a short position to obviously enter and hit our take profit, guys. So the day one to 10K to 1 million challenge, guys, is gonna be dedicated to us showing, documenting every single trade setup, every single trade taken, every single loss, every single profit, guys. So if I were you, I would stick around on this playlist. Watch us from 10K to 1 million. with no further ado, guys, sorry for the lighting as well, but hey, I had to make sure that I keep you guys updated. So I'll catch you on another one.